The vision of Telethon Kids is happy, healthy kids, and the way we do this is we work together with the community, with clinicians, with researchers, with policymakers to make a difference to children in Western Australia through research.
I'm a postdoctoral researcher, so I'm an early career researcher, so I completed my PhD about 5 years ago, and I really work with kids on the autism spectrum and their families.
So her work embeds the research into clinical practice to make sure that children with autism have really good mental health.
My particular area of focus at the moment is really around how do we do early mental health treatments to help reduce or even prevent longer term disability that's associated with having mental health difficulties in early childhood for kids on the spectrum.
I work as a digital project manager for the Health Promotion and Education Research team at Telethon Kids Institute. That basically means that I use my skill set in project managing. I also have a background in user experience design thinking, and I also have I specialise in community engagement as well. So I'm able to use, I guess, that unique skill set across a number of different research areas at the Institute to basically build apps that help improve the health and well-being of young children.
Miss Nguyen's work is really important for the Institute. Miss Nguyen has been involved in developing a large number of apps for Telethon Kids, and one of our very favourite apps provides tips and tricks for parents with young children, so this can be accessed by families all the way around Australia.
This is Bobby. Bobby actually represents the baby's brain. So within the app, when you complete activities or moments with your children in Bright Tomorrows, he pops up on the screen and his little, I guess they're not ears, but his receptors go off and they change colour. So every time something happens, an activity is shared where there's brain building happening, his little receptors actually go off.
Through the work of the Telethon Kids Institute, Western Australia leads the world in the research of paediatric health, and we're really proud to support the work of Gail and Beck.
I'm really honoured to be a recipient of this year's Aspire Awards, and being given the opportunity that I don't think I would have had otherwise to be able to travel overseas, and especially I'd love to go to the South by Southwest Festival in America.
Travel is really important for us because not only does it allow us to showcase our research internationally, but it allows us to make international collaborations that really can't be done as well virtually, as we've recently learned.
Collaboration is fundamental for all of the work that we do at Telethon Kids, and particularly the opportunity for international collaboration. So it gets our researchers opportunities to meet other researchers from all the way around the world, and really to bring back some of that research to Western Australia.
So being able to be there among thousands of other like-minded, creative innovators and influential tech experts will really give me that insight into the digital technology trends that's happening around the world, but at the same time it also helped to raise my global profile, which will contribute to Western Australia's success in digital health industry.
So I'm very, very lucky to be able to have gotten this award so that I can potentially be able to bring other really new and emerging evidence back to West Australians.
It really highlights the amazing work that's being done by West Australians and the research that they're doing. So going to international conferences is really important.